morning, student. Welcome back to this session. Dear students, in the previous session, we are discussed about virtual and electronic tickets, virtual conference and electronic tickets. What are the uses of electronic ticket? What is electronic ticket? Or what are the advantage, disadvantage, and what are the benefit to the business? We are discussing the previous session. In this session, we are discussing about hands and charts and candle. Hands, charts and candle. These are the new app chats or online modern forums. So, good introduction. Millions of people worldwide are still practicing social distancing in the current coronavirus pandemic, which means that digital keeping in touch is more important than ever. This includes creating video, meeting with your co-workers while working remotely, or checking in with your friends and family. If you find yourself looking for a reboost tool for either of these use cases, you might want to look at Google Hangouts. The Google Hangouts is a free chat, audio calling and video calling service. Even better, it's fairly straightforward to use. All you need to get started in a Google accounts. Before we talk about how to use Google Hangouts, let's talk about what is exactly. So, what is or what meaning of Hangouts? Meaning of Hangouts. The Hangouts originally started as a feature in Google Plus, long before the social networks timely. This network timely dismals. Google eventually launched a standalone Angst app in the year 2013. I think May 2013. Since then, the app has gained a few features. Unfortunately, the Hangouts brand split into a slightly confusing set of communication tools over the time. The app now including chat, Google Meet and dialer. Google Hangouts launched as a part of revamp of Google service to replace Google Messenger, Chat, GChat and Google Talk. It is now an integrated service that allows for next messaging and video conferencing. Google Hangouts launched as a part of revamp of Google service. As a video conferencing tool, you can use the Google Hangouts with your company regardless of size of your team, large or small, to foster communications within your staff as well as to reach an external audience. It is also frequently used by top brands such as Dell, Topman, Coca-Cola, Google, as well as a lot of small companies and individuals. It is also frequently used by top brands such as Dell and many others. Classic Google Hangstand lets user message either on one or in a group up to the 150 people. Groups up to 150 people. They can also video chat with other individuals or in the group of up to 10. On the other hand, business Google accounts user can video chat in grouping up to 25 people. Perhaps the best and easiest way to use Hangouts with the app. It available on Android and iOS, and you do not need to worry about peripherals since your smartphone contains a built-in camera and microphone. To get started, you will need to download the Google Hangouts app. From there, you will need to sign in the Google accounts of your choice. There is no need to set up Hangouts profile because it uses the information you have already set from your Gmail account. The other app in the Hangouts ecosystem are for Google Voice subscription and G Suite user. If you have voice account, Hangouts user can anyone worldwide for free using the dialer app. If you have G Suite account, you can also use Hangouts Chat and Meet. Chat offer a smaller experience to Slack with Google search functionality built in and Google Docs, slides and sheets integration. Meet taught smaller video charts functionality to classic Hangouts but with a more robust feature set. This includes support for video and audio meeting up to 250 user and Google Calendar integration for meeting details and schedule. Google will probably retire Hangouts eventually and more free user over to meet and chat without needing G Suite account. Until then, the standard Hangouts app is available for everyone. It's also accessible online and as Google Chrome extension. So now some of the reason why you can use the Google Hangouts. So it was better to use the Google Hangouts other than app because can discuss one by one. Webinars for product demonstration to your customers. Webinars are the great way business can market and sell their product and service while improving brand awareness. With Google Hangouts, you can create free webinars where people can interact with your products and to ask questions for using clarity. During a webinar, you can demonstrate new products and service to existing user as well as to potential user, giving a chance for questions, contribution as well as feedback at the end of the presentation. Using Google Hangouts, You can add photos to your presentation as well as adding other moderators, means team members or others, to help with the presentation. The features are free, easy to learn and simple to use. It works on various devices and operating system. So anyone across the global can easily view and comment on an ongoing webinar. The good news is that Google Hands enables you to create webinars to accommodate an unlimited numbers of participants at the time. All you have to do is download it, the Hangouts plug-in and install it in your browser. You can share webinar link on social network like Twitter and Facebook to invite more people. Enhance your online engagement. Digital Hangston are the latest form of online specializing and as marketer or business person. There are many ways to use that to your advantages. With Google Hangouts, brand can drastically improve their online presence and traffic generation to their site. Being able to communicate live with customers, give them the feeling that you are accessible. If the marketers can take the advantage of digital Hangouts tools, viewers are more likely to view related brand contents. Another way to improve your online presence is by linking your Google Hangouts activities to a collection of videos on YouTube. You can post video announcing a new products on your YouTube and share them in via Google Hangouts. The powerful things about video content is that more people are inclined to watch videos than reading an article. This also prompts customers to buy a product after watching a video about it. You can also use the Google Hangouts to hold press conference, which goes a long way in promoting your brand's online presence, attracting more clients and customers. Google Hangouts have been thoughtful designed to expand on your marketing strategies, facilitate employee engagement. A Google Hangouts is an excellent way to promote internal customer engagement within a company. And it really helps, especially with those that work remotely. This way, team members can collaborate on a task and share ideas without relying on third-party application or tools. They can organize video conference to catch up or stay updated on projects without much else. The idea of Google Hangouts app is to facilitate communication between two or more parties. Hangouts do not only offer your employee the ability to chat, voice call and video conference, it can also be integrated with other Google apps like Calendar and Drives. This way, they can schedule meeting and stay on top of their task with daily reminder from the calendar. The best part is that a Google account is no longer required to use Hangouts as long as you have one form of Google account. You are ready to enjoy its features. Affordability. A Google Hands is a cheap and versatile tools that will improve communication in your organization. Its video can be used to broadcast live watchers, reaching a far borders and targeted audience. Compared to other means of video marketing, Google Hangouts has proven its worth in enhancing marketing strategy in the cost efficient way. It is free and even offer low international rates. So you can send text message, make voice calls to other Hangouts user, and even have video chats from your computer or mobile device free of charge. Yes, for smaller business that do not have enough money to invest the latest collaborative solution, Google Hangouts offer a fantastic opportunity to resolve this. In fact, it comes with free to access feature that make it easy to start collaborating regardless of the size of your workplace, which is even more cost efficient for larger office workspace. Your for receiving call for your receiving call, make call and video conferencing, Google Hangouts is completely free of charge. With that being said, Google Hangouts pricing is about dollar, I think in Indian dollar 10 rupees, or Indian rupees is 8 or 750, unlimited storage and usage. Overall, the financial requirements to run a Google Hangouts account is relatively low compared to the similar tools in the market. All you need is a device that has microphone and a webcam. Face-to-face client consultation. Google Hangouts make it convenient for you to sit in the comfort of your office and still have face-to-face conversation with your clients or parents. We can hold private consultation and meetings with the clients and foreign partners using translation service like the WordPoint without the need to leave the office. Even you are working on large term project, you can keep in touch with your client, discussing business on the go. The Google Hangouts application is one of the many ways one can explore the use of video with readily available features and tools to your advantages. As you probably already know, video marketing is vital in boosting any online brand today. And more business owners are becoming open to this form of marketing. Google Hangouts come with a ton of advantages for businesses, even though it can be just as useful for personal reasons too. But first, let's see a brief history of Google Hangouts and why it was designed. So Hangouts is user-friendly way to engage in video chat with clients, with added a feature to record or call sessions. This can come in handy for the collection of data and feedback to improve your service and products. Most business rely on customers' feedback for quality check, which is why you must use all the available tools to communicate effectively with your customers in real time. However, most companies encountered bit of barrier while communicating with foreign client but with online transaction service like WordPoint. You have nothing to fret about. Google Hands teamwork with easy. Google Hands is designed to make teamwork in the modern world seamless and more intuitive. There are numerous ways business can be benefit from it. And within corporate environments, it can be implemented as a cost-effective collaboration forum for enterprise customers. And the best way to build connection with customer as well as other companies and potential business partner in through video conferencing. Hangouts integration with the other Google app means that you will have full access to more helpful features and tools to foster communication within the company and with customers. When you consider the low cost and numerous of possibility of webinars, there are a lot of benefit in Google Hangouts for the business. To grow their community of for the customer, understanding their audience and maintaining an engaging and interacting online presence while developing their brand. Google Hangouts is a free chat, audio calling and video calling service. Even better, it is fairly straightforward to use. All you need to get started in Google accounts. Before we talk about how to use Google Hangouts, you must know what is exactly it is. So some of the features. So Google Hangouts has many features. So some of are here we are discussing. So instant messaging. Instant messaging, voice call, HD video calls, HD group conference, audio screen focus, intelligent mounting, compatibility with a multiple computing device, built-in screen sharing, Hangouts on Air, integration with other Google application, customer control for admins. Custom control for admins. So before you understanding the features, Google Hangouts is a communication platform developed by Google's that help user to start and join in different communication channels like instant message, voice call and video calls. Google Hangouts is proven to be useful either one-on-one implementation or a group. Hangouts are integrated in Google Plus and Gmail for added mobility and versatility. Mobile app for iOS and Android service are also available. Hangouts allow the conversation between two or more users. The service can be accessed online through the Gmail or Google Plus. Websites are through mobile app available for Android and iOS. Chat histories are saved online, allowing them to be synchronized between devices. A watermark of a user's avatar is used as a marker to indicate how far they have read the conversation. Photos can be shared during the discussion, which are automatically uploaded to private Google Plus album. User can also now use cool symbols in their message. How to start new conversation video call? Tap the green and white plus button at the app bottom right and select the either new conversation or new video call. You can then type the name and email address or phone number of the existing Hangouts user to start text-based conversation or video call. You can then type in the name, email address or phone number of any existing Hangouts user to start a text-based conversation or video call. If you start a new conversation with someone who does not use Hangouts, yet by entering their email address or phone number, it will send them an invite to you the service. To message multiple people at once, you can create group by selecting new group below the contact entry field and add up to 150 people. To video chat with multiple people at once, just add up to 9 contacts in the entry field when starting video call. If you have a business account, you can video chat within up to 24 other people. You can add more people to groups at any time by selecting the 3 vertical dots at the top right of the UI from within the group and tapping people. You can also invite more people to an ongoing video chat by tapping the 3 vertical dots at the top right of video call and selecting invite. There is an option to share a link to an ongoing video call. If you share that link with someone and click it, then can join the video call by simply signing in with their Gmail account. Once you have started an individual or group conversation, you will be able to pick up where you left off by selecting the conversation from the app of main page. How to start a new conversation in video call? So already discuss how to start new online video calls. The SMS text messaging now poses, especially with the advent of the modern age chat applicants. There are work chat app or business app for the net workplace and personal messaging app for the personal matter. Meaning of team chat app. A team chat app are definitely not the latest things. It is not latest thing in the market, but they are making way for seamless communication and innovative approaches for use. Sure. Team chat applications are no longer limited to organizing team conversation and searching topic, but have become a way of life too. As per survey conducted by Statistica, 53% of business worldwide had adopted collaboration tools by 2016, and a number of these constantly increasing ever since. As business are looking for digital solution, the use of work, chat app and collaboration tools is on the rise to improve collaboration. Some of the benefit of team chat: improved communication. No points for guessing. Team chat software is designed to enable seamless communication between team members. It's not always possible to be physical around all the time. Such tools let you have a conversation and share idea message, documents, videos, even from remote places. Streamlined workflow. A team communication tool help remote team members to work efficiently. It's an effective way to streamline the workflow of organization. With these tools, team members can have virtual daily meetings where they can share current tasks, plan scripts, and even ask for instant feedbacks. Better employee engagement. Although the main task of the office chart software is to bring people together and facilitate as organization workflow, it also increases employee engagement at the same time. When employees are engaged, overall employee productivity also improved. Increasing accountability. So, increasing accountability. The purpose of internal communication is also to make people accountable for their task and job responsibilities. As a team members have to update managers about the progressive thus quite effectively. They develop a sense of responsibility towards their work and share update with the office chart tools. Enhanced project management. So effective project management is only possible with effective coordination. When you communicate effectively, the chance of confusion and mistakes also lessen. It is one of the most optimum way to make sure if the things are on track or not. Thus, team chart software does make way for seamless project management. Stay organized. It's common to lose track of what has been done, what's happening, and what needs to be done when things are already in motion. Team collaboration apps are helpful in maintaining order and managing stages that help you stay organized. Save times. Work and deadlines both go hand in hand. It's essential to take care of time while collaborating with others. A quintessential team chart app is one chart cuts down the time you did have to spend by actually getting up and going to a person to ask something. The coordinated work saves not just time but also resources and efforts. The more time you save, the lesser would be unwanted expenses. Strengthen team relationship. When people work together on different tasks and projects, they tend to develop a healthy working relationship among other team members. Taking to fellow team members on chart or in the person enable you to foster healthy work environment which leads to innovation and development. Some of the important best app for the chart. So Proof Hub. A Proof Hub is the team communication software that bring all your project communication together at one place. It is the perfect place for every conversation and bringing sanity in the way your teams communicate within an office or with clients. Some of the highlights of this app is one chart to bring clarity in office conversation. group chat to work together, collaborate, and get things done. Create discussion to brainstorm, discuss topic with remote members. Mention team members to loop in whenever, wherever you want. Next app is Chanty. The Chanty is an easy to use team chat app that lets your team communicate and collaborate more quickly and efficiently. Chanty brings all aspects of communication together: chat, audio and video, call and screen sharing. Besides communications, you can also do some light project management and turn message into task. There are useful integration with Google Drive, Trello, Dropbox and GitHub, among others. Our favorite is the team book, where you can see of all your message, contacts and tasks in one place. Some of the highlights of this app are: you can communicate through chat, audio and video. You can use threaded messaging. Team book to access all of your content in one place. Unlimited message history in the free plan. Easy to use search option. How much free plan and paid plan. Next app, Troop Messenger. Troop Messenger. So bring teams together with Troop Messenger. Collaborate and talk work on single interface and research inherencies of all level with one-on-one conversation, voice video call, screen sharing, audio messaging, forecout, group conversation, etc. File sharing, a preview of files, filtering content, making favorites are a few among the beautiful designed features for the leveraging great user experience. Share idea, work and project to be streamlined your teams towards a promising collaboration with Troop Messenger. Some of the highlights of these app are: team members can suggest user to admin, read missed conversation with unread message filter, send a text message or attach to multiple user or multiple group with forecout, custom administrative control, thoughtful crafted admin dashboard, vendor collaboration features, the other orange member, self-hosting and API delivery options. Next, Connect Team. It is an all-in-one employee management solution with the effective communication tools for both business and teams. In a single app, you have access to group or private chat, employee directory, immediate updates, social posts and so much more. Some of the highlights of this app are: chat easily, create a chat per location, project, department or even start a private dialogue by browsing work contacts. Updates, sending an immediate update on anything you did like to all relevant employee and automatically. Track who viewed your update with or without social tools such as comments and likes. From announcement, weekly goals, a quick message or celebrating a birthday, updates make employee engagement fun and easy. Employee directory, survey to gain feedback on regular basis, HR suggestion box, analytical and activities. These are the major features of the Connect Team app. Bro 6. is an instant message platform that provides you with a full administration private team network. Bro6 comes with a range of collaboration features behind basic IM, allowing your team to send or receive files, hold audio and video calls, communicate in chat rooms and collaborate with screen sharing. Bro6 uses P2P encryption on all communication channels, creating a secure communication environment. Some of the highlights of this Bro6: administrative control over user accounts, then P2P encryption on all communication channels, screen sharing, remote desktop and unlimited size file transfer. Rocket Chat. A Rocket Chat is an open source team communication tool released in the year 2015. It lets you communicate and collaborate with your team, share files, chat in real time, or even switch to audio or video conferencing. It also allows you to customize and add new functionalities to the tools as per your need and requirements. Some of the highlights of this app are: discuss and share idea, projects and files with real time or a synchronous team chat, including relevant participants with the username mentioned to notify immediately. Automatic real-time message translation feature. Username restriction and admin transparency. Hangers. In this session, before 10 or 15 minutes back, we will discuss about the Hangers chats. What is Hangers chats and what are the features? And again, you can some little bit I will tell you. Hangson is a communication platform developed by Google, which is helping many users to initiate and engage in various communication channels without any efforts, whether one-on-one implementation or in a group wise. Hanks is one of the most preferable tools out there in the world. Some of these app features are HD group conferencing and voice calling, screen sharing option, supporting multiple computing device, custom administrative control options. Slack is one of the first few team chat application that comes to mind when we hear about the team collaboration. Many teams throughout the world have been using it to improve team communication and efficiency. It covers your instant messaging, means IM, basic, and also support file sharing, automatic signing across different devices. Some of the highlights of these app are: share channels with people you regularly work with, drag and drop PDF, images, videos and other files directly into Slack. The Slack app directory have over 1500 apps you can integrate it in Slack. Facebook Workplace combines the next gen technology and versatility features to bring an evolution in the world of communication for the businesses of all size and nature. Employees can use the platform to connect with each and other through instant messaging, and those who work in common department can make groups to carry out meaningful conversation. Some of the highlight of this app are: better conversation and knowledge sharing, effective employee engagement and culture changes, administrative controls, APIs for the custom integration and boot. River. Using this app and email to communicate both complex and difficult. River is a team collaboration tool that makes managing your team simple and hassle-free. Its property active response technology. Eliminate error prone, slow human response time and replace it with a powerful automated event response collaboration system. Some of the highlights of these of the River: group messaging, file sharing, conversation searching, specifying details in task with checklist, tags and assignments, clear audio and video, automate daily process. Flowdeck. So Flowdeck is a real-time chart software that bring all of your workplace conversation work items and tools at one place. It lets you priority work, solve the problem across the team, location and time zones. Flowdeck work with a flow which are open source space for teams to converse and collaborate, allowing you to invite project stakeholders to participate in discussion and see update from the tools. Some of the highlights are this app: organized conversation, help of threads, message tag boots, 100 plus integration and file sharing, add gifs, add gifs and custom emojis to add humor to conversation. iOS and Android app let you stay up to date anytime, anywhere. Glip. So, Ring Central is one of the most popular business solution designed to help people to stay in constant touch and collaborate. It's no surprise that Glip is made around the same principles. It is a collaboration software app with a free messaging, group video chat and task management for better team communication. It comes with a superior team messaging, task management, screen sharing capabilities that let you work, meet and message anytime and anywhere across the multiple devices. Highlights of some this app: chat in real time, text, voice and video call, keep projects on track with action items and timeline, share your screen instant and collaborate live with teams and client, add comment to shared file directly. Slack. Slack is an popular team communication app and online collaboration platform that comes with the team messaging, project management and other great features in one software. It effectively organizing all your conversation tools in one place so that you can focus on what matter the most. In simple word, it is convenient, real time and make communication seamless and easy. Some of the highlights of this app are: create channel for focused discussion and meaningful conversation, jump onto video calls with just a click and connect with remote team members, drag and drop file and see previews of shared file, access the entire company directory for the better collaboration, integrate over 60 plus 30 40 app. Twist. Twist is a highly trusted team communication tool for remote teamwork that demand higher standard for communication. For the people working from home or remote area, Twist acts as an organized hub to discuss ideas, share updates and build knowledge that the team can refer even after several years. It helps you focus on real work and connect with others in real time. Some of the highlights of the Twist are: thread keep discussion organized and accessible to everyone. Quickly find the information you need with clearly defined threads and powerful search. Disconnect to focus on the real work and catch up when you are ready. Give you full control over the notification. Launch video call, automate report and get update from the app like GitHub and Todoist, all from inside Twist. Convo. Convo. As an office chat software, Convo unfills your workforce with easy conversation between in-house team and remote teams. You can use these tools as central place for having discussion, collaboration and making faster decision in the real time. Some of the highlights of this app are easily share file, images and video with team members. Get notification for all important activities on the web, desktop and mobile app. So challenges with text messaging. What are the challenges existing in text message? It's hard to convey emotion or context. No body language, no tone of voice. Facial expression and tone of voice amplify the meaning of spoken word. This is why tone like scramps is hard to discern from the text. Can encourage bad grammar and spelling habits. We often use shortened words and no capitalization or punctuations, especially for SMS. Also, many of us rely on autocorrect. Over dependence can encourage complacency and make use forget spelling rules. Delay caused misunderstanding. Feeling can get hurt when you do not get a response or reaction to text or post immediately. We think we are being ignored. Technical difficulties. Our digital tools are depends upon electricity, internet connection and mobile service. How to communicate letter in text? Use the appropriate medium. So before you send the message, ask yourself it is appropriate to send by text. In general, text is considered as an informal and less personal medium. Think of your audience. Always think about who you are sending message to and who will see your message. Do not use all caps. Using capital letter throughout in the never appropriate in SMS, chat message, social media post or email. Read and reread before sending. Bad grammar, wrong spelling and even autocorrect can make your text hard to be understand. Do not assume. Lack of context and emotion you can make as paranoid. So please read. Do not assume. Etiquette always apply. So keep in mind that respectful language is always best way to go. This prevent misunderstanding and keep your message clear. The 5 best team chat app are discussed in earlier. There are so many best. These are the best 5 team chat. So Slack for chat powered workplace. Microsoft Team for large organization broken down into team. Google Chat for shoot user. Discord for always on voice chat. Matter most for self-hosted team chat. What are the benefits of the team chat app? Improve the communication, streamlined workflow, increased better employee engagement, increased accountability, enhanced project management, stay organized, save time, strengthen team relationship. Messaging good for business. What are the messaging for good business? Efficiency. Gain more insight. Provide instant feedback. User friendly data security. Boost democracy. encourage creativity, working remotely, it is mobile, know who available, focus on what important, know who available and focus on what important. So, dear student, last, what is meaning? You know, hands, charts, and I'll give you the meaning of Kindle, a Chicago-based agency that create experience and communication that do more than engage. They ignite our expensive expertise in live events, create strategy, digital solution and content, and the messaging give us a leading edge in blazing new train and drives real result. These are the meaning of Kindles. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you.